Norris University Center is a staple of Northwestern, loved for its lakeside views and homey feel, but now that Norris is being replaced by the new University Commons, what do Northwestern students think of this change?
I think it's good that they're going to try and replace it and build something newer and nicer that can accommodate more students, but I think that it's going to be really inconvenient for however long it takes them to get it up.
Grace Gay, who's a freshman at Northwestern, can definitely see room for improvement in the current Norris.
I find it a little hard to study just because there's not enough room, and within the community I feel like I'd be able to meet up more with friends there if they had more comfortable work areas.
When asked what he would change about Norris, Ron Menon, a mechanical engineering major, went straight for its design elements.
Definitely updating the outside of the design. I feel like it's I don't know, it's kind of like a bulky looking structure that, it doesn't really fit in with all the other beautiful buildings on campus.
The new University Commons will have a revamped design inside and out. Jeremy Schenk, the Executive Director of Norris, is particularly excited for the new Norbucks.
One of the most popular spaces for Norris that students talk about is Starbucks. Norbucks, I think, is the nickname that they have here, that they call it. We took that feel and turned it into an entire floor. The entire second floor is all built around that concept, that feel, to make that community feel. We're calling it the living room of the building.
By including more window space, the new Commons will also make the lake viewable from every floor.
So you can look out right now, you see that I have this gorgeous view of Lake Michigan. I am in meetings all the time. That is a wasted view from my office. And so in the new building, those lake views are used for all of our spaces.
Some things are still undecided about the Commons, like when it's actually going to be built.
We can't really talk a lot about the building because we don't know a timeline yet. We don't know when we're going to start the project. We don't know when we're going to move out of Norris, because it's all driven by when the university has, from a facilities timeline, when they can fit in that next facility project.
For Medill, this is Lillian Aff reporting.